Hi, Rob.Kavanaugh here with Guaranty RV out here in Junction City, Oregon. It's a beautiful day to go out and look at motorhomes. I'd like to show you this 2018 Jayco Precept. It's got full body paint. It is in excellent condition. The paint is great. It's got 3 big slide outs. It's sitting on the 22.5-inch wheels. It's got an outdoor TV. It's really beautiful inside. Let's go have a look. Lots of living room space here. You got 2 slide outs right here on the passenger side and on the driver's side, which gives you a lot of space here. You've got a really cool drop down bunk right here for guests or kids. And it's the fastest drop down slide I've ever seen. Pretty cool. It's sitting on the F-53 Ford chassis, and it has the Triton V10, which is really what I call bulletproof. It's got the a really nice modern Garmin navigation system built in, and as you can see on the dashboard, it has a passenger desk for the passenger to do some work. These seats are really flawless. They're built by Flex Steel, and they're in really mint condition. Not only is there not a tear, there doesn't appear to be any wear as well. So this motorhome shows very well. Look at this dinette here. It drops down into a bed. The upholstery is really flawless. I don't see a scratch on it at all. And look at this. This is what they call the televator. It's a big 50-inch TV. It's real nice. It just drops down when you're not using it. That's a very nice feature. It saves space. There's a window behind there, so when you're driving, you can look out the window. Or if you want to watch TV, you just pop that televator up and watch TV right here. You got a nice sofa here that also converts to a bed. You got cup holders. Again, the upholstery is really flawless. You can't tell that it's ever been used. And even though this is a 2018, it's extremely low miles. I think just a little over 4,000 miles on this motorhome, so it's really like new condition with a lot of high-end features. Solid surface countertops and stainless steel sink, and the countertops have these inserts here where you can do a lot of extra work to maximize the counter space. So, and the same thing with the gas stove. You've got these inserts here. You just place them down, and then you have solid surface workspace to do whatever you want to do. You have a microwave, which also doubles up as an oven, what they call a convection oven, and then you have the standard gas burner stove. As we move back here, and really an extra large refrigerator freezer, you have lots of space here. It's 4 doors, so easy access, very clean, very easy to use. Lots of natural light. As we move back here, you have an extra large shower with a glass door, which is always desired by people. And you also have a bathroom over here opposite. Very nice bathroom. And as we move back to the, all the way back at the end of the motorhome is the bedroom. It's a east-west bed. It's a queen-size bed. The prior owners removed the mattress. So you have the opportunity to buy your own mattress. What's nice here is there's a lot of extra storage here underneath the bed. And I'm a big fan of the headboard. I don't necessarily like having a window back there because it's harder to read or sit back. It's not as comfortable. So having a headboard back there is real nice to read and watch TV or just simply sit up. You have also another TV in the bedroom here. It's a 32-inch. It's all hooked up and ready to go. This motorhome has 2 air conditioners, so you have one dedicated air conditioner in the bedroom and another air conditioning unit up in the living room. So this motorhome is designed to stay cool, actually very cool in the summertime. Lots of cabinet and closet space with mirrors. This motorhome is in excellent condition. If you like this motorhome, give me a call, Rob.Kavanaugh. My information is right here. Again, it's a 2018 Jayco Precept 33U. I think it's flawless. It's in great shape. Give us a call here at Guaranty RV. Ask for me, Rob.Kavanaugh. For this motorhome or any other motorhome, hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day.